Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into Gasb 96 and how to calculate an amortization schedule for subscription-based information technology arrangements, also known as SBITA. Gasb 96, or Governmental Accounting Standards Board Statement Number 96, establishes standards for accounting and financial reporting for subscription-based information technology arrangements, SBITA, for state and local governments. This standard requires organizations to recognize a subscription liability and a subscription asset on their balance sheets, aiming to enhance the transparency and comparability of financial statements. Let's first look at some key concepts of SBITA. SBITA are agreements that convey control of the right to use an IT asset as specified in the contract for a period in exchange for consideration. Subscription liability represent the present value of subscription payments not yet paid. Subscription asset represent the right to use the underlying IT asset over the subscription term. Subscription term is the non-cancelable period plus renewal options that are reasonably certain to be exercised. Discount rate is the rate used to discount future subscription payments to their present value. Now we've covered the key concepts. Let's take a look at each individual step. Step 1. Gather SBITA details. Subscription term. Duration of the subscription. Subscription payments. Periodic payments made for subscription. Discount rate. The rate used to discount future subscription payments to their present value. Step 2. Calculate the present value of subscription payments. Using the discount rate, calculate the present value of future subscription payments. This value will be both the initial subscription liability and the initial subscription asset. Step 3. Amortize the subscription liability for each period. Interest expense. Calculate as the subscription liability times the discount rate. Subscription payment. Subtract the interest expense from the subscription payment to get the principal portion. Subscription liability reduction. Subtract the principal portion from the subscription liability. Step 4. Amortize the subscription asset. Amortize the subscription asset straight line over the subscription term, recognizing periodic amortization expense. Let's look at an example. Let's assume the following SBITA details. Subscription term, 3 years. Annual subscription payment, $6,000. Discount rate, 4%. So the first step is to calculate the present value of the subscription payments. Using the formula, the present value of the payments is approximately $16,482. And this amount becomes the initial subscription liability. Now let's look at the amortization schedule for subscription liability in year 1. Interest equals $16,482 times 0.04, which is equal to $659. Principal equals $6,000 minus $659, which is equal to $5,341. The new liability is equal to $16,482 is $5,341, which is equal to $11,000. Continue similarly for subsequent years. For the amortization schedule for subscription asset, assume straight-line amortization over the subscription term. Year 1, amortization expense equals $16,482 divided by 3 equals $5,494. Ending balance equals $16,482 minus $5,494 equals $10,988. Continue similarly for subsequent years. By following these steps, you can create an amortization schedule under Gasb 96, ensuring compliance and clarity in your SBITA accounting. Stay tuned for more accounting tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.